This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features and packages include a navigation system, cooled seats, hill start assist, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an illuminated passenger side vanity mirror, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, an unattended headlight warning chime, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 37,000 miles. A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than an ordinary used vehicle. A GM-certified means you get a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty with no deductible, a 2-year, 30,000-mile standard CPL maintenance plan, plus roadside assistance and courtesy transportation. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.